Dear students, good day. Today, severe cyclonic storm Nivar is expected to bring heavy rainfall to Chennai when it makes landfall between Mamallapuram in Tamil Nadu and Puducherry. Cyclone Nivar would bring winds between 120 and 130 km per hour. Students, today we are going to learn more about cyclones. Let's move on to the session. Cyclone. The term cyclone is a Greek word meaning coil of a snake. Cyclones are centers of low pressure where winds from the surrounding high pressure area converge towards a center in a spiral form. Due to the rotation of the earth, the cyclonic winds in the northern hemisphere move in anti-clockwise direction, whereas they move in clockwise direction in the southern hemisphere. Cyclones can be classified into three types: tropical cyclones, temperate cyclones, extratropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones. Tropical cyclones are known as cyclones in Indian Ocean, typhoons in the Western Pacific Ocean, hurricanes in the Atlantic and Eastern Pacific Ocean. Tropical cyclones often cause heavy loss of life and property on the coast and become weak after reaching the land masses. Temperate cyclones. Temperate cyclones are formed along a front where hot and cold air masses meet in mid-latitudes between 35 degree and 65 degree north and south. The term front means the boundary separating warm and cold air masses. Temperate cyclones do not become weak like the tropical cyclones on reaching the land. Extratropical cyclones. Extratropical cyclones occur in the latitudes between 30 degree and 60 degree in both the hemispheres. They are also called as mid-latitude cyclones. Since 957 AD, that is for almost 1000 years now, there has been at least 11,982 recorded tropical cyclones in the Atlantic Ocean, Pacific Ocean and Indian Ocean. And so far the largest ever recorded is a typhoon Steve that occurred in 1979 in South Pacific Ocean near Philippines, which was 2,200 km in diameter with the wind speed 190 miles per hour, that is 305 km per hour. Hence, Typhoon Steve is the largest and strongest cyclone ever recorded in history. List of cyclones occurred in Tamil Nadu. The cyclone BOB-09 occurred in the year 1991. 998 millibar was measured as lowest pressure with the wind speed 85 km per hour. BOB-06 in the year 1992, the lowest pressure is 994 millibar with the wind speed 85 km per hour. BOB-03 in the year 1993, lowest pressure is 968 millibar with the wind speed 175 km per hour. O8B in the year 1996, lowest pressure is 967 millibar with the wind speed 120 km per hour. BOB-05 in the year 2000, lowest pressure is 958 millibar with the wind speed 190 km per hour. Fanush in 2005, lowest pressure is 998 millibar with the wind speed 85 km per hour. Nisha in the year 2008, the lowest pressure is 996 millibar with the wind speed 85 km per hour. Jal in the year 2010, the lowest pressure is 998 millibar with the wind speed 100 km per hour. Thane in the year 2011, the lowest pressure is 972 millibar with the wind speed 140 km per hour. Neelam in 2012, the lowest pressure is 992 millibar with the wind speed 85 km per hour. Muddy in 2013, the lowest pressure is 986 millibar with the wind speed 120 km per hour. Rono in 2016, the lowest pressure is 983 millibar with the wind speed 85 km per hour. Kiant in 2016, the lowest pressure is 997 millibar with the wind speed 85 km per hour. Nada in 2016, the lowest pressure is 1000 millibar with the wind speed 75 km per hour. Varada in 2016, the lowest pressure is 982 millibar with the wind speed 130 km per hour. Oki in 2017, the lowest pressure 975 millibar with the wind speed 155 km per hour. Gaja in 2018, the lowest pressure is 996 millibar with wind speed 128 km per hour. And finally, Nivar in 2020, the lowest pressure is 996 millibar with the wind speed 90 km per hour. I hope you would have understood about cyclones.